What we're talking about here is why celery juice is causing a worldwide movement. Awesome or scam? Now, you've heard about celery juice. I don't have to tell you. The medical medium, Anthony William, has been spreading the message about celery juice. Is it that good? What do the medical advisors here at Juice Guru say? Because we work with Dr. Joel Furman, Dr. Joel Kahn, Dr. Vij, Dr. Lodi, and I've talked to them about this. And so, why is there harm in drinking celery juice every day? Why is there such a it's kind of like this new juice craze, but the number one thing to me was, is it harmful? And that's what we're going to talk about during this show right now. Celery juice, awesome or scam? And I'll give you my take on that and what I think about it. But basically, it came from the medical medium and the work that he's doing in recommending the daily juice. Now, we've been recommending daily juice for a long time here at Juice Guru in our book, Juice Guru, Transform Life, adding one juice a day, because we know it's beneficial to have a daily juice. And what I love about what medical medium is saying, he's saying first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, which we've been talking about too, which is really exciting how in alignment I am and we are here at Juice Guru with what's being taught from Anthony William, the medical medium, and how he's reaching so many people, and he's reaching the right people. He's reaching people that are sick. People that are sick and they're eating a horrible diet and they're awakening to the idea of daily juice. Daily juice. Love that, and love what it's doing for his audience. I love all the testimonials on what the daily juice is doing for them, the daily celery juice. Why celery juice? What's so good about celery juice? And we talked about it in our book too, and it's amazing for our health. It's full of antioxidants and phytonutrients. It protects us from ulcers and other stomach diseases. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory. It helps us to lose weight. Other things, it lowers our blood pressure. It's got naturally occurring sodium, which helps our body to use other nutrients. So that it's no wonder that it works so well. And of course, it's detoxifying. It's going to loosen up all those toxins in our body and flush them out of our system. So when you're coming to the celery juice protocol with, the standard American diet, of course we're seeing incredible results and people are loving this teaching. So I talked to Dr. Joel Furman about it and our medical advisory board, and I said, this is great. We always recommend including other vegetables, and the celery is part of our template recipe. We recommend the daily juice, including celery, which we love for all the reasons we just mentioned. So I said to him, but if we're just doing celery juice, first of all, is there any harm in that? And the good news is there's not. Dr. Joel Furman confirmed, and some of the other doctors that I talked to, there's no harm in drinking a daily celery juice. But, like Dr. Furman was telling me, it's not optimal. We want to include some of these other vegetables. Let's not throw that all out. We want to include the kale, chard, cucumbers to make it a little more hydrating and palatable, dandelion greens, and Dr. Furman specifically said bok choy, which is one of his favorites to add to the juice. So he was saying, yeah, of course we could recommend celery juice, but why not include these other things? Why not mix it up? Of course, that's going to be the next level in health. So what I love about the medical medium and the message that he's giving, he's teaching people to do the daily juice habit. The juice first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. And they're doing a celery juice. But we're saying from there, and if you're becoming a certified juice therapist with us, that's what you want to teach your clients. Yeah, thank you. Of course, you're seeing great results with the celery, but now we can bring it up a level by bringing in some of these other recipes. And don't worry, if you don't have the template recipe, I'm going to give that to you. I've got it for you free. I just printed this out, and it's great to tape to your refrigerator. If you guys have it, let me know. Just let me know in the chat box if you already have it. But I'm going to give you a link to get it for free. And it's just newly revamped, beautiful, taped to the fridge. And it's just 5 core ingredients. It's got kale, cucumber, celery, lemon, and ginger. And then we give you some suggestions where you can replace those core ingredients with other things. So we're always mixing it up. We're always including more ingredients. The daily juice. So that basically, I'm giving you the protocol for that so you have it. But what I wanted to really conclude with, we should say, Awesome or scam? I say awesome. I think it's awesome that so many people are drinking their daily juice. They're making it a habit. I want to recommend to you the best juicer to use if you're doing celery juice. So I want you to keep that in mind too. But celery juice, daily habit, yes. Optimal, yes. And at Juice Guru, I'm all about optimal, next level health. How can we take it to the next level? People are curing all these diseases with just the celery juice. What about the kale? What about the spinach? The juices that are known to lower cholesterol, decrease your blood pressure, beet juice, detoxifying to the blood. We don't want to leave that all out. So I'm thankful that there is now a new juicing craze, that more people are waking up to the idea of daily juicing, and that now we can take you to the next level with our daily juice protocol, which you don't have. Yeah, you can go buy our book if you want it, but I'm going to give it to you for free. And let me put it up here on the screen for you so you've got it in case you don't have it, because I know lots of you already have this because we did put this out, but let me just pull that up on the screen here for you, and there it is. Right there. It's juicegurutemplate.com to grab this for free, and I'm going to connect with you in a minute, but it's downloadable. We'll send it to your inbox. You print it out, and I have this hanging on the refrigerator because I want to be reminded. It's part of one of those mind tricks. You know, out of state, out of mind, out of sight, out of mind. If we don't think about the juicing, we're not going to juice. So what do? We put our juicer on the countertop. We have this hanging on our refrigerator. We make sure we have these ingredients in the refrigerator and that we're ready to juice. So this is one of those hacks. These are one of those mind tricks that it's going to get us and keep us juicing. Plus, put the juicer up on the counter. Let it be the star of your kitchen. Don't go to bed tonight until you know you've got the ingredients ready for tomorrow. So the answer to today's question at the end of our show right now, no, it's not a scam. Yes, it works. And daily juice works. And we love daily juice, and on the empty stomach is the best. So thank you for the message. Thank you, Medical Medium, for spreading the word about daily juicing. I'm Steve Prussack from Juice Guru, and you are Juice Guru. We all are Juice Guru. Get that daily juice in your body. Thank you for being here.